Welcome back to our maths class. So today's topic is Indian place value system and international place value system. Students, here you can see two chart. One is Indian place value chart and other is international place value chart. Most of the country uses international place value system. In our country, we use Indian place value system. We know that places will comes like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10 lakh. In the previous section, this is the places. In the previous section, we learned that the first three places, ones, tens and hundred, forms one spirit, 1,000 and 10,000 form 1,000 spirit, lakh and 10 lakh form lakh spirit. Now let us see the symbols that we use to represent these places. For ones, we use capital letter O, tens, we use capital letter T, hundreds, capital letter H, thousands, capital T and small letter H, 10,000, capital T and H. For 10, capital T. For 1,000, we use the same symbol, capital T and small letter H. So together, it becomes capital T and small letter H. For lakh, capital L. For 10 lakh, capital T and capital L. And value of each place is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we will see how to read this number according to Indian place value system. According to Indian place value system, we separate the number according to the periods, ones, thousands and lakhs. One spirit we will separate it with a comma. Ones, tens and hundred will comes under the one spirit. So we separate it with a comma. Then 1,000 and 10,000 comes under the thousand spirit. So we separate that with a comma. Then lakh and 10 lakh comes under the lakh spirit. So we separate it with the comma. So here we can read this number like 34 lakh 51,769 because the digits in the same period are read together. These are the digits under the period lakh. So we read it together. 34 lakh 51,769. So coming to the international place value system. Same way, the places will come like same. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. The changes here. Instead of lakh, we write here 100,000. And the periods, first three places will come under the one spirit. Ones, tens, hundreds form one spirit. Next 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 form thousand spirit. So here after the three number we will separate it with a comma. Then comes next three number comes under the next period. Let us see the symbols. For ones, capital O, tens, capital T, hundreds, capital H, 1,000, capital T, small letter H, 10,000, capital T and small letter H, and 100,000, capital H, capital T and small letter H. Value of each place is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Next come 100,000. Let us see how to read this number. First three number comes under first period. We will read it together. Next three number comes under the next period. 1,000 period. We will read it together. And both the period we separated with a comma. How we will read? 976,431. How we will read? 976,431. Let's read these numbers according to Indian place value system by inserting comma. Now first number we separate ones, tens, 100 with a comma. Okay, then 1000 and 10,000. Again, no number, so no need to separate. So how we will read? 35,142. Read once again. 35,142. What about the next number? First three number forms one spirit. I separate it with a comma. Then next two period comes under 1000 period. I separate it with comma. And next number comes under lakh period. So we will read like 8,03,679. 8,03,679. What about the next number? First three number, put a comma. Next two number, again put a comma. Then read 2,85,937. 2,85,937. Can you read this number by yourself? Yes. Now read 6,10,428. Clear? This number according to International Place Value System. See, after first three number, I separated a comma. Then next three number comes under the second period. Here also first three number comes under the first period and next two number comes under the second period. What about the third number? First three period comes under the first period and next three period comes under the second period. How we can read? 562,814. This is the 1000 period and this is the ones period. So 562,814. Next number 35,142. Third number 803,679. Next topic is face value and place value. Place value of a digit in a number is the digit multiplied by its place. For example, look into this number 65,279. Here, what is the place value of 7? Tens, isn't it? So, we multiply 7 with tens. That means 70. 70 is the place value of 7. What about 5? The place value of 5 is 1000. So, we multiply 5 with 1000. That becomes 5,000. So, the place value of 5 is 5,000. Now, coming to the face value. Face value is the actual value of the digit. That means, what is the face value of 6? 6 itself. Whenever we take a number, that number will be the face value of that number. Now let us make the concept clear. Look into this number 25,486. What is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5 into value of that place, that is 1000. 5 into 1000, that is 5,000. And what about the face value? Face value is the same number since face value is the actual value of that digit.